Hey, Shelby.
Well, it's the last show before Christmas, girls. How are you guys going to spend the holidays?
I don't
It's going
know.
to be super special this year.
Do tell.
I'm spending it with my new guy.
So am I. Me too.
What's he like?
Well,
Well.
I'll tell you. I've got a new man this holiday.
It's holiday.
Someone who won't let me down.
He doesn't let me down.
His eyes always sparkle.
So sparkly.
Man who can show you the town.
The whole town.
Boyfriend knows when I'm sleeping.
When I'm
He
sleeping.
always treats me right.
Most of the time.
Knows if I've been bad or good, but when I'm naughty,
He thinks it's nice. Santa's my boyfriend.
Santa's the one that I love.
I believe he's real because I can still feel the touch of his furry white glove.
Oh, I've never been in love like this.
When he comes down my chimney.
It's his kiss that's first on my lips.
Ooh.
I like it when we jump in his sleigh and he takes me to the North Pole. Ain't he the greatest? He told me he loves the taste of my milk and cookies. He told me the same thing.
When everybody else is putting up their stockings, he's taking mine down.
You get the picture.
Santa's my boyfriend.
He keeps me warm in the cold winter snow. He's jolly and kind, and I don't even mind when he sees me and tells me.
Ho, ho, ho. Santa's my boyfriend.
And we'll have a wonderful life. I can't wait till the time when he'll truly be mine and leave his bitch of the wife. He's gonna leave her, right? Well, of course he's gonna leave her. He promised.
They always promise, and it usually works out, right?
Santa's my boyfriend.
From New York.
It's Saturday night. Saturday night. All these people are clapping at me.